In this video, we'll learn to calculate amounts of money, meaning we'll learn to add, subtract, multiply and divide amounts of money, and through this we'll learn to budget. So I've got the cost of three different items that I want to buy. One costs £14.75, the other £142.50, and finally £4,253.46. I want to find out what is the total cost of all of these. So I've lined them up, making sure I've got the decimal points under each other so that I'm adding pennies under the pennies and I'm adding pounds with the pounds and so on and so forth, not mixing them up because that would give me a different answer. So there we have 11 and then 17 and then 10, 11, 4, so £4,410.71. To double check that I've got this right, I'll round this up. So I've got 15, 140, 4,003, 4,300. So 5, 5. So this comes close to this one. That shows that I've got the calculation right. So I've got a budget of £5,000 for these items, and I want to find out how far off I am from that limit, from that budget. Do I have much money left? So that's what I'm going to work out now. 5,000 take away £4,410.71. So I haven't got any pennies for the £5,000, so I'll add these two zeros because they make no difference. So I'm going to try and take away one from the zero, but it's going to give me a negative number, so I'm going to try and borrow from these. So I can't really do through these ones, but I can do it with the 5. So 5 will become a 4 and this becomes a 10. Now this one can borrow from this to make it a 10, and this becomes a 9. This becomes a 9 and this is a 10. 9, 10, 9, 10. So 10 take away 1 is 9, then we have 2, then we have 9, 8, 5, and that's it. So this is £589 and 29 pence left. Again, if I round this down to 4,400, I'll need about £600 to get to 5,000, and this is roughly £600. Now I want to find out whether I can purchase some more items. So I want to get 16 towels, which cost £13.50 each. So we'll go 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 3 is 18, and the 3 is 21, 6 times 1 is 6, and the 2 is 8. So I'm ignoring the decimal point for the time being, and then we'll put a 0 down. So 1 times 0 is 0, 5, 3, 1. So we've got 11. Now we've come to this point where we've got the answer, but we need to do a final thing. So we'll count the decimal places for the two numbers. There is a decimal point, so we've got 2 digits after the decimal point. So there are 2 in there, and we haven't got any here because there is no decimal point at all. But if it was, it would be here. So no digits after it. So we'll give this final answer 2 decimal places as well. So we go 1, 2. So the answer will be £216. I can see that I still have some money left, so I'm gonna work out how much I've got left and then buy some books with the remainder. So we've got £589.29. Take away £216. So 9, 2, 3, 7, 3. So I've got £373.29 left. And one book costs £15, so I will find out how many I can get because I want to use all this money on books. Okay, so 373.29 divided by 15, because that's the cost of each book. So we go, how many 15s fit into 37? That's going to be 2 of them, because that makes 30. So we've got 7 left then. So how many 15s would fit into 73? And that's going to be 4, which makes 60. So we've got 13 left. Now at this point we've got a decimal point, so we've got to transfer it over here as well. So now we need to find out how many 15s would fit into 132, and that's going to be 8 of them. So we've got 12 left, and that's again 8. But if we come to this point and we've got a decimal point, that means we really can't get 25, it's only 24, because you can't buy parts of books. So we'll be able to buy 24 books, and we can work out how much there will be left. So 24 times 15, which is the cost of each book. So we go 20, 12. So we put a 0 down, 4, 2, 0, 6, 3. So 360 was the cost of this. And from the £373.29 that we have left, take away 360. That's 9, 2, 3. So it's £13.29 left after all the expenses. So what we've learned through this is that it is important to know what is your budget. And as we said, if we want to work out the total cost, we add things up. If we want to work out how far off we are from the budget, then we subtract the total cost from the amount that we have available. If we want to buy multiple items, then we multiply the cost to work out what is the total cost. If we want to work out how many of an item we can buy, like the books that were £15 each, then we need to divide from the amount that we have left, divide that by the cost, and that will give us the number of the items that we can buy, like the 24 books that we can buy here.